by the rules. Number 12, De La Rosa. No guts, no glory. No pain, no gain.
Labas ka ngayon.
Number 18, Karanda, setting up somebody there. And we have Karanda, quick play. My God, another violation. They are committing errors, blunders everywhere. And there he goes. The Bellman, deliver. Time left, 3 minutes and 57. Down 4 minutes. Number 18, Canada, setting up number 16. There, in deep frustration. One against 4. A close pace in the air. Foul by number 18, Karorohan. We've got a timeout. To win this timeout very badly. 52. 39. It is a double figure. So to win, they have to discuss something and think it over. They have to find a way